Welcome to the Property Squad. This is not the place for you if you don't take action, and this may not be the place for you if you don't want to learn about real estate investing. This may not be your thing if you want to hear some unrealistic story about a 19-year-old who owns 29,000 units and makes $10 million a month in cash flow. I'm tired of those too. So look, most normal people find those stories inspirational, but unattainable, unrealistic, unrelatable for their situation. This show is for you if you are a beginner to intermediate investor and if you want to hear real stories from real people who are doing real deals and the breakdown of how you can apply their story into your success. The Property Squad is a real estate podcast about investing stories and strategy. Each week, I interview someone who has had investing success, their trials, their lessons learned, and their story. In the next episode, I break down their strategy and dive deeper into it in a solo episode using my knowledge and expertise. My name is Anson Young. I've been an investor and agent for 17 years, and I'm doing fix and flips, wholesales, and BRRRR deals in 4 markets. I'm a marketing and deal consultant. I'm also a BiggerPockets author and a speaker. The Property Squad operates in seasons. Each season, we tackle a different aspect of real estate investing. So if you aren't into this season's topic, stay tuned for the next season or go back and listen to a previous season. It's that easy. Season 1 is all about house hacking. So welcome to the Hack Squad. We have big plans for this community. Lots of resources to give away, and I want this to be just a great resource for all real estate investors, no matter where you are in your real estate investing journey. So check out propertysquadhq.com or any of our socials. You'll find tools, tips, free courses, free resources to get started, to keep going, and the strategy behind all of it. So welcome in. I couldn't be more excited to start this off with you guys. There will be new shows every week. There'll be cookies and juice for halftime. There is a video version on YouTube and Spotify, so please subscribe or follow the show on your favorite podcast or video platform. I'm excited to build this out with you. The squad needs you. I can't do this without you. So I'll see you very soon. Let's get going.